Just taking a stroll through the garden. And as y'all see, this is another one of my methods that I deployed out here to keep the birds on their off their feet, landing on my groceries, eating them up. Got a rubber snake out here. Not just one. I have a few of them. As y'all see, that's another one right there. And I just come out here every couple of days and I move it around. Although these berries, these plums ain't no good, I'm just trying it out. Trying it out, and it looks like it may be. Hopefully it's working. I hadn't seen any that's been landing. And if you look closer, I got another one over yonder. Let's just look at some of my tomatoes. This ain't gonna be a long video. Some are doing good, some are getting that bottom end right on them. I don't know if it's too much rain or what, but we definitely been getting more rain than usual. This is a look at my cucumbers. Probably need to harvest some. Brought my scissors out here and probably some sunglasses because I can't see. And I just have to harvest these seeds out of here. Those leaf-footed bugs have been we've been going back into it. And y'all can see the holes they got buried in them. Hopefully y'all can see it. I can't hardly see nothing in this camera. But yeah, I declare war on them. They've been burrowing in every darn thing. Y'all see. Leaf-footed bugs. That's been what I've been seeing out here. But we had a battle yesterday. I had a battle with them yesterday out here, and I do believe I won. If y'all want to see the remnants of it, I don't like to spray, but if I can't eat and get no groceries, then they ain't gonna be eating either. They ain't gonna be living, rather. We'll put it like that. If I don't work this hard, get these groceries going, and these jokers burrowing in everything, then I'm gonna spray, hit at them. Y'all see this honeybee here? Hopefully y'all can. I can't see the camera. The sun blinding me. But yeah, we had a little battle yesterday, and I reckon I'm gonna get this baby here before they be over here digging at them. On tomato harvest here. This baby don't want to come. I don't see no hole in it. remind me next time I come out here and bring my snippers. It's a pretty baby here. Looks like she started to try to blush a little bit. But I take it inside, let it ripen on the counter. I'm ready for sprinkling a little salt and pepper on here, and go to town. This is the squash here. Now yesterday I come out here, I didn't have the camera, and it looks like I see my nemesis, the other one, that darn white butterfly. Can't win for losing in the garden sometime. That's why. I could have seen a squash out here yesterday, but maybe my eyes was playing tricks on me. This is the longevity spinach. Those are the muscadines that I got to build something put up for. That's the sunflower. As y'all see, the bees are loving it. This is a tomato here, cherry tomato. Oh, I know what I want to show y'all. My grapes. They doing okay. Well, I thought they were doing okay. I don't know what that is on them. But it's a learning experience with these grapes because I never grew grapes before. There's a few on there. And I take what I can get if I can get them before the birds. And we got some blueberries over here. I can't remember what kind they are. All I know is they're the kind you eat. I did get some business handled yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Muscadine trying to trap me. These squirrels been a problem this year. This tree was loaded with peaches on there, and I reckon they picked them off, because ain't not now on there now. I don't think my persimmon gonna do any fruiting this year. Well, I don't see any on it thus far. Y'all see, I probably got to do some pruning on this mulberry tree there. He's trying to touch the ceiling. Let me get through this here fiasco. This here is the I don't forgot the name. Y'all know the name on them. But it looks like it's trying to grow some. They had huge leaves on them, but the leaves are smaller. This is the pomegranate here. And the squirrels have decimated my peach tree. Not now one on there. And how I know it's squirrels, cause ain't no remnants down yonder on the ground. That y'all see down there is remnants of me eating plums and spitting out the whole that's in that inside of it. But they hadn't touched that plum tree there. Not plum tree, but peach. And we got some citrus trying to make an appearance. I don't know if they're gonna hold on or not. I'm not even worried at this point now. They do. If they don't, they don't. But I did get my I got my Barbados cherry repotted in a bigger pot. It wasn't as root bound as I thought it would be. You had some at the bottom of the pot wrapping around. I know I keep saying this ain't gonna be a long video, so I'm gonna get ready to get off. I think there's some hard lemon there. Or Satsuma, one of them, I can't remember. I can't remember what this is either. This is a Mara lemon also. I believe this is lemon too right here. And that's my moringa. And she is just steady putting on new growth. I actually have 2 more moringas coming up. I dropped a couple of moringa seeds and they actually came up, both of them. I soaked them like they suggested, soaking them for 2 days. I mean, not 2 days, but 24 hours in warm water. I done that. This is another tree. Then I got some fig cuttings that I got to get repotted. Shouts out to Oldham Homestead. But and I forget what tree this is here. It's got some fruit on there and some blooms. This one has some fruit and blooms on it. Oh, and I did get my I got my this guava here. I repotted it from the little small container it was in. That tree got some fruit on there too. I ain't even see that. But it's still working in the garden. It seems like I got more repotting to do than I have had previously. But I have more trees than I have had previously too. I ain't complaining. I'm just stating the facts. This is the tree here. The little Galaxy peach tree that they got me. Got both of them. There was 2 little peaches on there. Flat peaches. And those girls. So I'm definitely considering getting electric fence up. But I won't hold y'all no longer. This is my what is this here? Oh, this is my Pakistan mulberry. As y'all see, it's branching out. It's got new growth on it, so that's a good sign. This is my fig. That is my Persian lime. But let me cut this video short. It's done got a little too long, I think. I need to get out here and prune this stuff off my loquat trees. And as y'all see, them tomatoes, one of them doing good, the other one look like it's hanging out. But I appreciate y'all stopping by the channel. This is my kumquats that we repotted together. That's this blackberry I seen coming up in the container with the kumquat, so I had to hurry up and snatch that out of there. This is another blackberry that I'm growing out. And there goes another one down yonder. That's the two moringa I just mentioned to y'all that come up. And yeah, that's the pomegranate. But I appreciate y'all stopping by the channel. This is Growing What I Eat. Y'all take care.